Hi, in this video we are going to talk about views in CodeIgniter. So what is view? A view is simply a web page or a page fragment like header, footer, sidebar, etc. In fact, views can flexibly be embedded within other view. So that is a view. So view is actually a web page. Now last topic, we talked about controller. So in our controller, we encode the H1 for both home and about page. Now in the application folder, controller, we have welcome.php. This is the default controller. As you can see in the index method, this loads the view. This view is actually a web page. So let us find this view. Views are located inside the views folder. So this is the welcome message. This is the source code of the welcome message. Let's say we want to create a view for our home page. In our documentation, if you can see in our documentation, this is the example. It is just like creating a pure HTML view. Okay? So let us try with our project. So for example, we want to create a new view. Just create a file. For example, home page underscore view.php. Let us copy this example and paste it. Here, this is the head. Let's change this to home page. Let's change this to home page. Welcome to home page. Okay. I have here the bootstrap. You can also use this one. We just need to copy this one and put it here. And copy the JavaScript. Put it below. Okay, I did this to improve the design of our page. So let us test if it works. Refresh, and it is not working because we need to load this view to our home page. To do that, we need to load the view. So copy this code and paste it. Then in here, we need to insert whatever the name of the view. In our case, we have the home underscore page underscore view, and that is everything that we have to do. Then we need to check if it is working again. Refresh, and now we have the view, but the spelling of page is incorrect. So I need to go back and change that, and that's it. We're going to do the same with the about page. Let us go to the htdocs users application views. And let me copy this one and name it to about page view. So the same, copy this one, replace our h1 and about page view is here. So check about home page. Okay, we need to change the text about page. Let's just insert the dummy text. Same with the home page. Check. Since we are using Bootstrap, insert this in a row. Copy this one, copy this part and insert it inside. Div. The same with the about page view. Let's create a row. Put it inside. Let us check if it is good. Oops. We need to add a div, another div called -md-12. Let's try to view this, refresh, and I think it's good. Let's try this one. Okay, we need to do something here. Copy. Test again. And okay, we're good. And now we already have views. Next is, what if we need to pass something to the view? For example, if we want to pass a name or page title in here or in here, what should we do? To do that, for example, if we have the page title, all we have to do is to insert a comma in here just after the view name, the name of the view. After that, we insert a comma and then we insert an array, an associative array, the index of the array, and then the value of the element. Index of the element and the value of the element. This data will be passed to the home page view, which will be accessible by the home page view as a variable using this as a variable. The index will become the variable of the value. For example, our index is page title. It will be accessible in our view as echo so we have echoed the page title. Whatever the index in your associative array, it will be the variable that we will be using or you should be using. So let's try if it works. Home page is working in here. So try to copy this one and then insert in here, refresh, and it still works. If we change this as page, it won't work because it should be page that we should be using as variable. So try again, it works. But let me revert that to the previous variable. Okay, so refresh, check if it's still working, and it works. We will do the same with the about page. So I will just copy this about page, this one. I will copy this one, insert here, then create PHP tag equal page title, replace this one and check if it works about, and still it works, but it says home page because we just copied it. So we need to change our page title and it's good. Okay, so that is all for views. Stay tuned for our next topics. Thank you.